Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want to create a backup of your Shopify store or launch a second store with the same setup, this video is for you. Today I will show you how to duplicate a Shopify store step by step, the right way, whether you are expanding, testing, or launching a new brand. There are several reasons to duplicate your store: to create a backup, to launch a new version for another country, to run A and B tests, or to create a staging site for experimenting with new apps or themes. While Shopify doesn't have a one-click duplicate feature, I will show you how to do it effectively. Step 1. Export your key store data. Log into your Shopify dashboard. Click Login. Now go to Product section from the left sidebar. Click Export from the right side corner. Choose All Products and export as CSV. Repeat this for customers, discounts, and orders. Click Export. Now open your email address, email inbox, and now you can download from here like that. Click on it and save to your computer. Export 1. Wait a minute. Shopify. Shopify products. Then save. Again, go to customers tab. Then export. Then discounts. Then export. Again, same as all product. Save this CSVs to your computer. This helps transfer important data to new store. Now export your current store theme. Go to online store, then click themes, click actions, then download theme file, click send email. Shopify will email you a zip file of your theme. Click go to your Gmail inbox. Wait a minute. This ensures your design, layout, and customizations are preserved. Now go to shopify.com. Then click now from here, click theme, export, then download it. Now go to shopify.com and start a new store. You can use the free trial. Go to shopify.com, click start a free trial if you are just testing. Once inside the new store, go to online store, then themes, click upload theme from here or import theme, then upload the zip file, and now click add file and choose your file from your computer. and upload the zip file from earlier. Then open. Then go to products, click import again, add file and Shopify products, upload the CSV file. Repeat for customers and other data. Now your new store will look and feel just like the original. Your apps won't transfer automatically. You will need to reinstall them one by one from the Shopify App Store. Also recheck your settings like shipping and taxes, payout, payment methods, checkout preferences, domain and email notifications. This part takes time, but it ensures your duplicate store works as expected. For advanced users, you can use apps like Rewind, go to App Store, search for Rewind for full backups and easy cloning. Rewind backups. Install it and follow the process. And comment if you want to a video about rewind backups, just comment below. Then matrix 5. Matrix 5. Install it for advanced import and export of data. Duplicator to migrate store content with fewer clicks. These tools save time and reduce errors if you are cloning a large store. And that's it. That's how you duplicate a Shopify store in just a few simple steps. Just follow my instruction. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more Shopify tutorials, and drop a comment if you would like a downloadable checklist for store duplication. So, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Stay tuned, keep creating. Got questions or want a checklist or template? Drop a comment below. I reply to as many as I can.